Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. This is in reference to some viewers who are wanting to know when you have a lens that is stuck or difficult in moving. Okay? And how do you get that moving again? First off, you don't want to force it. Because if you do, you could damage the mechanisms inside, any gears, because basically the lubricant has dried up inside there. And the lens needs a CLA, a clean lubed and adjustment. Okay? This is what's needed. However, if you need to use your lens or your camera at the moment for filming, here's what you do. Usually this works. Using a hair dryer. Okay, you apply heat to the lens all the way around. So all the way around the area, not to the glass, but all the way around here. Okay, and add that heat there. Just go around the lens and add heat to it. All the way around it. Just like that. Probably do it off and on for about a minute. And then finally, test it out slowly but surely, and it will start to adjust and move. Okay? Just don't force it. If you do, it's very possibly going to crack the mechanisms inside. And then it won't focus at all. Okay? If you're in a colder climate, then after a while, this it's going to dry back up. Most likely, it's going to get gooey in there. It's going to dry back up, and you're going to go back to the same original problem you had before. So you need to send the camera out for a CLA to a technician. So remember, everyone, use the hair dry method. Most of the time, it operates and it works. Freeze up those lenses. All right. So no matter whatever type of lens that you have, it's going to free up those old lubricants so you can get that moving freely again. Eventually, your camera's going to need a new CLA and the lens as well. Okay. Clean, lubed, and adjustment. I've got this monster lens here. They'll have to remove those old lubricants off and free it up again. Because what happens here is when you're in a colder climate, it's just going to go back to the same issue. You're going to freeze up all over again. And if you haven't even had your camera CLA'd, and you just got it in, you just bought it off an online market, it could lock up during filming. Those lubricants on the camera as well need to be changed. Do contact me at the social media outlets provided on the screen, and remember, as always, do subscribe. Until next time, see ya.